hope you have enjoyed the video. Well, I wanted to show you a little bit and explain how we did that. So there is a structure hanging from the roof, actually, that we calculate about the whole weight the motorbike will have. Then I've been like 6 months calculating the center of gravity of every single part here that you can see. Calculating the weights, different thickness of the wire, stainless steel wire. Then also designs to handle everything, in one to make it, this explosion. Cannot imagine the nights without sleeping or waking up saying, wow, I have the idea how to handle that, how to do that. That was really incredible year. Together with my father, we really enjoyed. Well, we'll put some more pictures about the motorbike, some videos, and then how the museum is, so keep enjoying. We have seen the motorbike. We are really happy to see it here in the museum. Well, really excited. Here now we're gonna see all the formulas that won here in Macau. Absolutely amazing museum. Have a look and follow.
I think it's a very challenging target. You got a very straight line, big one. I think the fastest ever in Formula 3 I have been through this straight line, around 150 miles an hour. And then suddenly you have to go really slow on the very tight bend on the top of the hill. You are not allowed for a little mistake at all, otherwise you crash.
Well, we have seen the formulas and all these winners that we had here in Macau. What an absolutely journey, right? So now let's go and see the GTs and the tourist cars. well, we are in race control, as you can see. Last part of the Macao Grand Prix Museum. We really enjoyed a lot all what we have seen. It's really incredible to have our piece of art here between all these great drivers. And yeah, I hope you liked. All the video have been recorded by our phone, so it's not that good quality or stability. But well, I hope you enjoy it. And yeah, keep it tuned for the next videos.